Washing these clothes is so difficult.
This is for our children's future, so they can learn English and see the world.
We sow these seeds for a harvest.
But for our son, what are we sowing?
A dream that he will speak to the world.
Basavaraj's son got a manager job in Bangalore.
His father's struggles are over.
I am sure we will speak confidently in the school assembly next month.
Absolutely.
We are learning together. Join us at English Kagunitha and start learning spoken English today.